Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to monitor battery level for each earbud and case on your XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is download the XIAOMI earbuds for your either iPhone or an Android. If it's not the XIAOMI device, because a XIAOMI device already has it built in. So let's go over and go to XIAOMI Earbuds. Now here it needs to connect to the headphones. So as you guys can see, now it's connected. And here we will have the battery level for everything, like the left earbud. So right here, as you guys can see, I took it out and now this lightning icon disappeared. I can do the same with the second one. Now as you guys can see, the case is not here because it only shows the earbuds, but whenever you place one back, then it will show the case. Now as you guys can see, here we have everything, and that would be it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.